In this video, we're going to integrate arcsec x. So we are going to integrate this. So visualize this as being one block multiplying with another block. So set this block to be v prime, set this block to be u. Well, if this is v prime, then if you integrate it, then v equals x. If this is u, then if you differentiate it, then u prime equals this thing here. So now blindly follow this formula. It's saying get u times v. It's saying get u times v. So that will then give us this. And then you've got your minus, and then it's saying get u prime times v. It's saying get u prime times v. So that will then give us this. So now tidy this up. That will then become this. So now this is familiar territory. We've done this many times. You should be able to do this by heart now. Your eyes should zoom into this bit here. Create a triangle in such a way that this thing will be true. So create your triangle. Well, if you make your triangle to be well, if you make the hypotenuse to be x and the adjacent to be 1, then the opposite will have no choice but to be square root x squared plus 1, which is this bit here. And then now looking at the triangle, you want this dx, so you want to extract the dx. So if you look at this, this is secant. So secant theta equals hypotenuse over adjacent, which is x. So now differentiate this. That will then give you this. So now you've got your dx. So you can put this thing into the dx here. Okay, and then now you want to extract this from the triangle. So looking at the triangle, you want to extract this. So if you look at this, tan would be this. So tan theta equals opposite over adjacent, opposite over adjacent. So tan theta equals this thing here. So now you can put this tan theta into this thing here. So the whole thing here will then become this. So if you put this into here, into this dx, that will then give you this thing here, because this dx gets multiplied to the top, and then this thing, put it into here. So then that will then become this. So now we are currently here. So now hang on. So now tidy this up. So tan here will cancel out with this tan. So that will just leave you with this. And we've done this many times. By now I'm expecting you to just be able to accept this. So when you integrate this, it will give you this thing here. So when you integrate this, it will give you this thing here. So now this is our answer here, but we don't want the answer in terms of theta, because here you've got the answer in terms of theta. So going back to our original triangle, we need to translate this. So secant would be this. So that would be, so secant theta is really hypotenuse over adjacent, which is just x. So this thing here becomes x, and then translate this tan theta, or tan is this thing here. So it would be opposite over adjacent, which would be this. So this is our final answer. Okay.